Hi everyone, my name is Nora Minno. I'm a daily burn trainer and a registered dietitian. And today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple, healthy mango smoothie. But before we get started, I wanted to share with you that Daily Burn and the Tourism Authority of Thailand in Canada are giving one lucky winner and their guest a 7-day trip to Thailand. While you're there, you'll get a cooking class with a Thai chef and learn how to make some amazing healthy recipes. You'll also be able to get in on some amazing adventures. So stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how you can enter to win. Well, let's get started. First, you'll want to gather your ingredients. This recipe is super simple. I'm only using 3 ingredients today. 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, 1/4 cup of protein powder, and 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk. So let's go ahead, add our ingredients in. I love using mango because it's a great source of vitamin C, of folate, and also it's a great source of fiber. Protein powder, I'm adding that in there so we get a little extra protein, and coconut milk. Blend for about 30 seconds or until it gets nice and frothy. Okay, so once it's all done and smooth, pour it in your favorite glass. Super simple, done in less than 5 minutes. This tastes great at home, but it would taste even better in Thailand. So don't forget to head over to dailyburn.com/sweepstakes for your chance to enter to win a trip for 2 to Thailand. Cheers.